All right, Monday's math lesson will be covering multiplying and dividing decimals. Multiplying decimals is covered in lessons 109 and 110 from your math book, and dividing decimals is lesson 119. So I'm gonna group all three of these together, and I'll show you how to work through these problems. We are going to start with multiplying decimals. The biggest thing you will want to remember here is that however many digits are to the right of your decimal point, that's how many digits will be to the right of the decimal point in your answer. And I'll show you how we figure this out as we solve each problem. All right, let's get started with number 1. We're going to start off by multiplying like we normally would. We have 5 times 3, which is 15. We have our 5 there, carry our 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now we can see that we have one digit up above that is to the right of the decimal point. Just 1. So in our answer, the product, we also have to have one digit to the right of the decimal point. So our answer here is 1 5/10. Number 2, we have 3 2/10 times 2/10. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then we'll do 2 times 3, which is 6. So look up above. We have one digit and a second digit after the decimal point. So we have to have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point in our answer. So it would be 64 hundredths. Now we'll do number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. We'll drop our 0 down before we multiply. 1 times 2, which is 2. And 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay. So we have I went backwards there. All right. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. And if you look up above, we have 2 digits to the right. So we need to have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point in our answer. We have 1 56 hundredths. Now we're going to divide decimal numbers. Okay, so here with dividing, we're going to move the decimal to the right only by 1, because our divisor, 3/10, only has one number to the right of the decimal point. Then we can divide like normal. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 4.0. Number 5, we have one digit to the right, so we're going to move it over, making 6 a whole number. And then we also move it over for the dividend. And 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer there was also 4.0.